If for some reason you have a CP900 or got a hold of an old used CP900 and you want to use it with your Mac, there are drivers available, unofficial, that is. I was trying to do a photo booth setup and I forgot that I updated my operating system, so it didn't work anymore. I'm running, let me see. I'm running Big Sur. So anyways, really simple. You can just Google SELPHY driver SELPHY CP900 Mac High Sierra and you'll come up with this first search over here. Just Google this. I used to include links, but YouTube is not allowing me to post videos where it's external links, so it takes you to this web page that was created by totophe.com, and you can download the driver from here that he created. And well, if you go download it, just clicking on this link, downloaded it, Finder, this is it, and I just ran the DMG file. It's a package, and you run that. And he mentions that the operating system may try to prevent you. But anyways, just go through the installation, and then I have this image file over here that I try to print. I go File, Print, and you can see over here it has the printer already. This is a while ago, so this isn't really a tutorial. It's just letting you know there are drivers, even though they're not official. And so hopefully this helps someone who might have got a hold of an old CP900 and has a newer Mac OS setup. You can also Google this, which I'll put in the description. The name of the file, SELPHY_CP series universal, and it'll take you to the web page. There's also a shared site that'll let you download and install it.